Hello Soundcheck members. This video is for my part 2s to practice at home. So today I'm going to show you Sesereiye, Yonder Come Day, and The Earth is Our Mother. First is Sesereiye. So I'm going to do it 2 times with actions. The first time, remember, you guys are on the melody, and the second time you guys go up to the higher part. So here's that now. Sesereiye, nari nari na roparte. Sesereiye, nari nari na roparte. Roparte me amate. Sesereiye, roparte me amate. Sesereiye. Sesereiye, nari nari na roparte. Sesereiye, nari nari na roparte. Roparte me amate. A few things to remember with Sesereiye. Notice how my head was facing forward the entire time. That way the audience can actually hear what you're singing. Another thing is your arms. Make sure that they're nice and straight. And also watch out for where I'm stomping. There's a stomp on almost every beat, and some of us were missing that in rehearsal. So really make sure you're watching where the stomps are as well. Next is Yonder Come Day. So you guys, as part 2s, are going to sing the Yonder Come Day, the melody, first with everybody. Then the second time you stay on the melody, Yonder Come Day, while the part 1s go up to the higher part. And then the third time, some of you will sing Yonder Come Day again, and those few of you will sing that lower part. So today, I'm just going to show Yonder Come Day, the melody, and then the second time, melody again, and then I'll do that third part for those few of you at the very end. But know that most of you are doing Yonder Come Day a third time. So here we go. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. Yonder, 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 rise, oh yonder, 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 in my soul. Some things to remember for Yonder Come Day. First, you guys are the melody most of the time, which means when the part 1s go up to the higher part, you are still the most important part, and when you're lower, it's sometimes harder to hear lower singing than it is to hear higher singing, so that means I need even more of you. But remember, to make that happen, you need to take a nice deep breath and fill up your air tank, and don't force it from your voice. Okay, the bigger sound comes from your air, not your voice. Another thing is that you have to, it's soulful, but you still need to smile. It's still happy, even though you have soul behind it. Also remember the ending that we have on the word soul. You have to really round your lips, soul, so that we match our vowel. And you're going to, at the very end, remember, start loud, then get soft, and then get loud again. So keep your eyes on me the entire time, especially at the end. All right, and final song for today is The Earth is Our Mother. So as part 2s, again, you are going to be on the melody the first time, and then for the second and third verse, you go up to the higher part. But again, remember the part ones are the melody the whole time, so we don't want to be too loud so that we can't hear the melody still. So I'm going to do it with actions and really watch when I'm doing my step touches. Here we go. The earth is our mother, we must take care of her. The earth is our mother, we must take care of her. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Her sacred ground we walk upon, with every step we take. Her sacred ground we walk upon, with every step we take. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. The earth is our mother, she will take care of us. The earth is our mother, she will take care of us. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Alright, so keep in mind that if you keep your eyes on me the entire time, chances are you won't get off from the step touch. So again, it's really, really important that we keep our step touches together, otherwise we'll have people colliding into one another and it just won't look good. So keep your eyes on me the whole time so we can get that together. Again, don't be too loud on the higher part, and I really need to understand every single one of your words. So we must take care of her. I really want to hear those consonants and the H's on hey yanna, and the long N sound on hey yanna ho yanna hey yan yan. Really emphasize those consonants. So that's all I have for you in this video. Maybe in a future video I'll include Take Time in Life and the other part of The Earth is Our Mother. So watch out for that. But for now, this is hopefully enough to get you guys started and practicing at home. So enjoy.